All right, you guys, today I am cooking up a gluten-free pasta dish. A brand new noodle from my homies over at Banza. These are Gemelli noodles, and I'm super excited to use them. I've actually never even eaten these noodles. They're these really tight corkscrews. And we're also gonna be cooking a cilantro pesto on a pasta, which sounds a little cray, but that's just because I've never cooked it before. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, let's give it a go. This is a recipe that I have never tried before. It's got a walnut and cilantro pesto, crispy tofu, green olives, roasted red peppers, and our Banza Gemelli pasta. Excited to eat this one. Stop shooting, I'm eating, man.